What happens to your body if you take turmeric every day for 30 days? Turmeric, a golden-hued spice with a rich history, has garnered attention for its potential health benefits. Adding this vibrant ingredient into your daily routine may lead to transformative effects on your body. Let's delve into the journey of what happens to your body if you take turmeric every day for 30 days. In this video, we will explore the effects of turmeric on your digestion, skin, brain, and more. But first, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really helps us out a lot and motivates us to make more videos for you. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for your support. Please watch until the end where we will cover some common questions about turmeric. Now let's explore this natural golden treasure. Turmeric, derived from the Curcuma longa plant, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Its active compound, curcumin, is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making turmeric a popular choice for those seeking natural remedies. The power of turmeric. Historical significance. For generations, turmeric has been an integral part of various cultural and medicinal practices. Its roots trace back to ancient Ayurvedic traditions, where it was revered for its holistic healing properties. Understanding this historical significance adds depth to the appreciation of turmeric's impact on the body. Benefits of daily turmeric consumption. Anti-inflammatory properties. One of the key benefits of daily turmeric intake is its potent anti-inflammatory effect. Curcumin's ability to reduce inflammation can contribute to managing chronic conditions and promoting overall well-being. Antioxidant effects. Turmeric acts as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals in the body. This antioxidative prowess may play a role in preventing cellular damage and supporting longevity. Potential immune boost. Studies suggest that turmeric may bolster the immune system, helping the body defend itself against infections. Adding turmeric into your daily routine might be a proactive step towards maintaining a robust immune response. What happens to your body in the first week? Initial detoxification process. In the initial week of consistent turmeric consumption, your body may undergo a detoxification process. Turmeric stimulates liver function, aiding in the elimination of toxins and promoting a sense of rejuvenation. Changes in energy levels. Many individuals report increased energy levels after adding turmeric into their daily regimen. This boost in vitality can positively impact daily activities and overall productivity. Adapting to daily turmeric intake. Adding turmeric into your diet. Turmeric can be easily integrated into various dishes. Whether added to curries, soups, or smoothies, finding creative ways to include turmeric ensures a seamless transition into your daily routine. Recommended daily dosage. While turmeric offers numerous benefits, moderation is key. Experts recommend a daily dosage of around 2,000 milligrams of curcumin, ensuring optimal results without adverse effects. The impact on digestive health. Turmeric and gut health. Regular turmeric consumption may promote a healthy digestive system. Its anti-inflammatory properties can alleviate digestive discomfort and contribute to overall gut well-being. Alleviating digestive issues. Individuals with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, may find relief with turmeric. Its soothing effects on the digestive tract can ease symptoms and enhance comfort. Turmeric and joint health. Managing inflammation in joints. For those grappling with joint inflammation, turmeric's anti-inflammatory prowess may offer relief. Daily intake might contribute to managing pain associated with conditions like arthritis. Potential relief for arthritis. Studies indicate that curcumin in turmeric may have arthritis-relieving properties, making it a natural complement to traditional arthritis management strategies. Mental clarity and cognitive benefits. Turmeric and brain health. Curcumin's impact extends to brain health, with research suggesting its potential in preventing or mitigating neurodegenerative diseases. Turmeric may contribute to maintaining cognitive function as you age. Cognitive function improvement. Some individuals report enhanced cognitive function, including improved focus and memory, after adding turmeric into their daily routine. These cognitive benefits can positively influence daily life. Skin radiance and turmeric. Antimicrobial properties of turmeric. Turmeric's antimicrobial properties can contribute to skin health. Applying turmeric topically or consuming it may address skin issues, promoting a radiant complexion. Glowing skin benefits. Regular turmeric intake is associated with a natural glow. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to skin radiance, making it a coveted addition to beauty routines. Potential side effects. Allergies and precautions. While turmeric is generally well tolerated, some individuals may be allergic. It's crucial to monitor for allergic reactions and consult a healthcare professional if any adverse effects occur. Interactions with medications. Turmeric can interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners. If you are on medication, consult your healthcare provider before adding turmeric into your daily routine. Until next video, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Can I take turmeric with other supplements? Adding turmeric with other supplements is generally safe. However, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure compatibility and avoid potential interactions. Is it safe for pregnant women? Pregnant women should exercise caution with turmeric supplements. Consulting a healthcare provider is essential to determine the appropriateness and dosage during pregnancy. What's the ideal time to take turmeric? There's no specific ideal time. However, many people prefer taking it with meals to enhance absorption. Experimenting with different times can help find what suits your routine best. How long does it take to see results? Individual responses vary, but some may notice changes within the first few weeks. Consistency is key, and long-term benefits often become more apparent over time. Can turmeric interact with blood thinners? Turmeric may interact with blood thinners, potentially enhancing their effects. If you're on medication, consult your healthcare provider to ensure safe integration. Are there alternatives to daily turmeric intake? While turmeric offers unique benefits, alternatives like ginger, cinnamon, or other anti-inflammatory herbs can complement a holistic approach to health. Until next video, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.